Buying an existing business can be an exhilarating journey, filled with the promise of entrepreneurship without the daunting task of starting from scratch. This process is akin to finding a hidden gem, one that requires careful consideration, meticulous planning, and strategic execution. Each step in this journey is crucial, and understanding what to look for can significantly influence your success. The first step is to define your criteria. This involves a deep dive into your own interests and experiences. What industries resonate with you? Are you passionate about technology, retail, or perhaps a service-oriented sector? Aligning your business choice with your personal interests not only enhances your motivation, but also increases your chances of success. Next, consider the size of the business. Are you looking for a small operation with a handful of employees, or do you envision managing a larger company with extensive revenue streams? The scale of operations will affect everything from management style to the complexity of daily activities. Location is another critical factor. Whether you prefer a local business that allows for hands-on management or a regional player that offers broader market potential can shape your approach. Lastly, establish your investment budget. Understanding how much you can afford to invest up front will narrow your search and help you avoid financial pitfalls later on. Once you have a clear set of criteria, the next step is to search for businesses for sale. In today's digital age, online marketplaces such as BizBuySell, BizQuest, and Flippa provide a wealth of opportunities. These platforms allow you to filter your search based on your predefined criteria, making the process more efficient. However, don't overlook the value of business brokers. These professionals specialize in connecting buyers and sellers and can offer insights that may not be readily available through online listings. Networking is another powerful tool. Reaching out to industry contacts, attending local Chamber of Commerce events, or engaging with trade associations can uncover hidden opportunities. Additionally, consider direct outreach to business owners. Many may not actively advertise their intent to sell, but a well-placed inquiry can open doors to potential deals. After identifying potential businesses, conducting preliminary research is essential. Begin by reviewing business listings that align with your criteria. Once you find a few promising candidates, request initial documents such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and tax returns. These documents will provide a snapshot of the business's financial health. It's also crucial to assess the seller's motivation for selling. Are they retiring, facing financial difficulties, or simply looking to pursue new ventures? Understanding their reasons can give you leverage in negotiations and help you gauge the stability of the business. Performing due diligence is perhaps the most critical step in the buying process. This phase involves a thorough examination of the business's financials, legal standing, operations, and assets. Start with a financial analysis. Review at least 3 years of financial data to identify revenue trends, profit margins, and any potential red flags. Analyzing debts and cash flow will provide insight into the business's operational viability. Next, conduct a legal review to uncover any lawsuits, liens, or regulatory issues that could pose risks. Assessing operational aspects, including daily processes, employee performance, and management structure, is equally important. Understanding the customer base and competitive landscape will help you identify growth opportunities. Additionally, an asset valuation will clarify the worth of inventory, equipment, intellectual property, and real estate. Enlisting the help of an accountant and a business attorney during this phase is highly advisable. Their expertise can help you navigate complex financial and legal landscapes. Once you have completed your due diligence, it's time to make an offer and negotiate. Determining the business's value is essential. Methods such as EBITDA multiples, asset-based valuations, or revenue multiples can provide a solid foundation for your offer. Submitting a letter of intent, LOI, is the next step, which outlines your offer and key terms. This document is non-binding but serves as a starting point for negotiations. Be prepared to discuss terms like purchase price, financing structure, transition support, and any contingencies that may arise. After reaching an agreement, securing a purchase agreement with the help of your attorney will finalize the transaction and protect your interests. Financing the purchase is a critical aspect that requires careful planning. There are several options available. Seller financing can be an attractive choice, allowing the seller to loan part of the purchase price, which you repay over time. Traditional bank loans or Small Business Administration (SBA) loans are also viable options, providing the necessary capital to complete the purchase. If you have access to private investors or venture capital, consider partnering with them to share the financial burden. An earn-out agreement, where part of the purchase price is contingent on future performance, can also be beneficial. Lastly, using personal savings or retirement funds, such as through a 401k rollover strategy, can provide the necessary resources to fund your acquisition. Finally, as you approach the closing of the deal, ensure that all legal documents are finalized. This includes the asset purchase agreement, non-compete clauses, and lease transfers. Registering ownership changes and updating licenses and permits is crucial for a smooth transition. Planning for this transition phase is vital. Working closely with the seller can facilitate a seamless handover, ensuring that operations continue without disruption. In summary, buying an existing business is a multifaceted process that requires careful planning and execution. By defining your criteria, conducting thorough research, performing due diligence, negotiating effectively, securing financing, and preparing for a smooth transition, you can navigate this complex landscape successfully. Key takeaways include looking for strong financials, market demand, efficient operations, and avoiding hidden liabilities. By following these steps, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality, stepping into a business that not only aligns with your goals, but also offers the potential for growth and success.